10 Benefits of Turmeric. Turmeric is a spice used for cooking but has gained immense popularity as one of the most powerful herbs for fighting various diseases. Turmeric can be found in India and other Southeast Asian countries. The dried root of the plant is ground to create the distinctive yellow turmeric powder. Turmeric contains more than 100 chemical compounds that contribute to its healing abilities. Curcumin, a polyphenol, has been shown to target many cell pathway signaling molecules. At the same time, it manifests activity at the cellular level. Curcumin has strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Other curcuminoids include bis-de-methoxycurcumin and dimethoxycurcumin. In the past, turmeric has been used as medicine in South Asia and China for various conditions such as rheumatism, severe pain, fatigue, and breathing problems for over 4,000 years. Indian people believed that the root's healing powers can cure many illnesses. Here are 10 benefits of turmeric. Number 10. Anti-inflammatory. The best-known health benefits of turmeric are its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which give it the power to reduce or completely alleviate swelling and pain in conditions such as arthritis. Inflammation is a common cause of pain and discomfort. Inflammation can also contribute to the development of certain diseases. Turmeric reduces the risk of side effects caused by taking prescription anti-inflammatory drugs. Number 9. Boosts immunity. The immune system is responsible for protecting the body against disease and infection. Research has shown turmeric to be one of the best natural treatments to maintain, protect, and boost immunity, reducing the risk of becoming ill. Turmeric has antiviral, antibacterial, and antimicrobial properties. Number 8. Potent antioxidant. The antioxidant properties of turmeric help fight free radical damage as well as oxidative stress. Oxidative damage is thought to be one of the causes of the development of numerous diseases in aging. Curcumin is a potent antioxidant that can help neutralize free radicals. Furthermore, curcumin can boost the activity of antioxidant enzymes in the body. Number 7. Acne and pimple cure. Acne and pimples can make you feel uncomfortable and antisocial. Turmeric is very effective in treating and preventing both acne and pimples. It removes excess oil and opens clogged pores which cause acne and pimples. Its anti-inflammatory properties reduces acne inflammation while its antibacterial properties kills acne-causing bacteria. For acne, you try using a face pack of sandalwood and turmeric powder. Number 6. Lowers bad cholesterol, LDL. Healthy cholesterol is important for healthy heart. High levels of bad cholesterol, LDL, can lead to several different heart problems like heart attacks, strokes, atherosclerosis, etc. Aside from regular medications to control cholesterol levels, the addition of turmeric to your diet lowers the level of bad cholesterol naturally, therefore preventing several health issues caused by high cholesterol. Don't forget to subscribe to Top Shelf Health for all the best health-related information and be sure to turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon. Number 5. Lowers heart disease risk. Curcumin plays a major role in the prevention of heart disease. Its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties can improve the function of the endothelium. Furthermore, it lowers the level of low-density lipoproteins, LDL, or the bad cholesterol. This can help reduce the risk of developing heart disease and stroke. Number 4. Treatment of diabetes. Diabetes is a common condition nowadays, but it can be controlled by adding turmeric to your diet as it balances the sugar level and maintains the insulin level. Regular use can also prevent the onset of diabetes. However, it is advisable to consult your healthcare provider before using turmeric if you are taking any diabetes medication. Number 3. Viral infections. The next time you're under the weather, you may want to sip some turmeric tea. Curcumin might help you to fight off a variety of viruses, including the flu. Keep in mind that turmeric is only about 3% curcumin, and your body doesn't absorb curcumin well, so the occasional cup of tea won't be a cure-all. Number 2. Treatment of high blood pressure. Turmeric has been found effective in reducing depression mainly due to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Studies have shown that supplementing turmeric with antidepressant medications enhance their effectiveness. Number 1. Reduces depression. Turmeric has been found effective in reducing depression mainly due to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Studies have shown that supplementing turmeric with antidepressant medications enhance their effectiveness. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching Top Shelf Health.